Howdy IB, it's Miss Kosh again. As promised, I was going to talk about another way to measure the spread of data. So if you watched the video that talked through the standard deviation, you're in the right place. If you haven't, then you can go find that one. So we took those same three schools and we found the minimum, the Q1, the median, the Q3, and the maximum. Notice the data is all 7. There's nothing to do. We just have 7. On this one, the minimum was 5. The median, we said, was 7 because that's the middle number. And then to find the Q1, we take the average of the bottom half. To find the Q3, we take the average of the top. Or, well, let me say that again. We don't take the average of the bottom half. It just so happens that the bottom half only had 2 elements. So there is no median, there is no middle term. So we took to find the median of this bottom half, we had to take the average of those 2. Is that the best way I want to say that? Let's just verify, just in case I'm not thinking clearly today. So I'm going to come in here and, can I delete all? There we go. Okay, so that list was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You may notice that that's from the previous time. I did that my video yesterday. Okay, so we're going to calculate the one variable stats. Oh, you know what? Let's go back. Exit. Let's set this one up. List 1, and we want to do, that's what we want. Okay, so exit. Now we'll do one variable stats. Okay, so the number of terms, sure enough, there we go, the median, and then Q1 is going to be the median of the bottom half, and Q3 is the median of the top half. And since we had just 2 terms, it became the average of those and the average of these 2. Super. Okay. And then over here, same idea. So there's our median, and then the Q1 is going to be right between here, and then Q3 is going to be right there. So the IQR is the interquartile range. Okay, so if you remember, when we do a stem and leaf, I lied. Man, I'm struggling today. Sorry, you guys. Okay, when I do a box plot, box and whisker or whatever, here's the minimum, here's Q1, here's the median, here's Q3, and here's the max. The IQR is what we get when we subtract those 2. So the IQR is going to be Q3 minus Q1. Okay, and so we found out, we took Q3 minus Q1 and got 6. So to find out, so that's one way to see the bigger this is, the more this 50% of our data, that middle 50%, the larger the IQR, the more that 50% of the data is spread out. Okay, whew. So now we have 2 mathematical ways for us to decide if something is an outlier. And you know what? Let's make that the next video. We're just going to have fun with this.